Hello, my name is Warren Tolson from the Michigan Math and Science Academy, and today my experiment is the balloon helicopter. So first you will need to attach the blades to the whistle. Okay. Then you will need to blow up the balloon. And put it on the whistle. Okay, and the reason it flies is because the air from the balloon diverts air sideways through the blades, which causes the blades to spin. The spinning blades pushes air downwards on the air around the blades, and this causes an upward force on the balloon. This is an example of Newton's third law, which is every force has an equal or opposite reaction. Thank you for watching.